Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sitala. In this session we learn the class template in C++. So first share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my dear lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process, and now yes is open Alt F file menu and taking new file. And here our goal, write a program to use of class mm, template. Yes, so here just we have to see the syntax and how to use two different data types. So previous my 3 video lecture as a function template. So swap to integer value using different data type, integer, character, and float, and uh, then minimum, maximum, and selection shot we have to take. So if you not watch, then I recommendation to you can watch first, and then class template we have to run. So here that syntax first I can explain. So that is a we have to define the template keyword and Angular class keyword and type of T, that is a same like a function template. So here then after class keyword again and then class name, yes, and opening closing press and semicolon, and in between any member, that is a you have to declare your member or member function both. So here we can say that member, or we can say that data member, yes, for data member and member function when whenever require, then use of uh, we can say that template type of T or class template type of T. So that is I give comment line. So that is a syntax or appropriate you have to use to whenever you require the data member and member function whenever require. So that is a we have to use. So just here then use of template type of T. So that is a base the simple syntax. So I can give in multi comment line for your reference. And now based on this syntax, first I include the header file. So io stream.h, and then console input output. So here my goal just how to use the template type of class, and that now I can define. So that is E, and then class vehicle, and that is test. And now opening closing brace, and first that member data member we have to define that is a type of T, that is a like X. So that is our first. And now public, that is private type of T, X pointer, that is 1D array we have to print different data type. And then here we can define the default constructor. So, so here first we can define the size. Yes, so here constant integer n, that is first I define the t, and integer normal I variable. So that is a global declaration section, that is global variable. And now base we have to first taking for loop equal to 0 I less than n, yes, that is fixed we have to t and I plus plus. So here x of I, and that is assigned to 0 default constructor, and then one parameterized constructor, and that also we have to take type that p, and means the type of t. So any data type is converted, and we can assign to our 1D array. But first we have to take as new operator dynamic. So that is also type of T. And then you can pass the N. Yes, so that is a here dynamic memory allocation. So I less than N and I plus plus. So now we can assign X of I equal to P of I. So that is a pass in main. So that 1D array assign every element. And now we can take one member and show. So that is a display. You can say that display any name, get put data, that is also you have to give. So here first I give message. So 1D array elements elements. So elements are yes, and then and L yes, and then 4 we have to take. So I equal to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. And we can see out print first index also. So it is index any array like float, integer, but index is always integer. So now that is we have to print x of I, and then every element in new line. So and L. So that perfect. And also we have to use as a new operator in your dynamic memory allocation for that type of T. So we can our responsibility can destroy that memory. So deallocation. So destructor. So destructor, there is no any argument. Class name same as a like constructor, same name as a destructor, but tilde sign prefix as a tilde sign. And here we can use as a delete operator and delete the memory, release the memory or deallocation the memory. And now we can take as void main. So it is a we can first take a like a 1D 3 fixed size and assign the static value, and then clear the screen, and we have declare one object of that is T, but which data type? Yes, here that is a template type of class use we have to. So we can pass the data type in Angular, that is the integer type of object. So that is a any data type you have to pass here. So that T type convert in all class to whenever our class that is T that convert in that data type. So here T1 that is that class used as a integer data type. So all where that T is convert in the integer. So where here is that is integer, and then that object that one parameter that is also T, and here that memory allocation also T type of. Yes, there are three plus we have to use. So look, first one here, then parameter yes here, and then memory location. Show is just display, so there is no required type of T or template type of T. So now we can assign T1 to A. So that is one parameterized constructor call, and all that value assign and display and get ch. So that is our first attempt. So I can save. So we can use template underscore class dot cpp. So that is save and compile. Yes, there is three warning. Yes, because that is a default is inline in class number. So here that for loop we have to use. So that is not here also. So but that is a rules of the template of class T. That is here you can define all member inside the class, not outside the class. So that warning is there, no any error. So there is no any problem. So I run that program. So look, that is display only 1 2 3. So that is a stick value. Yes. And now again I run, that is same means different data type. So now I can take as float, and that be just 3 size and taking like a 1.5 and 2.5 and 3.5, that is 1D array. And then uh, object that is passed as a float data type, and that T2, and T2. So yes, here that is all member we have to define. So that is a here we can say that T2 dot show. So that is a perfectly. I can save again. So here now I T2 assign the float, and that is a B, that is 3 size of 1D array, and then assign that one parameterized constructor call and that display. So I can save, then file. There is no yes warning is double because 2 times we have to use this template type of class, and that run. So you can look. So that is a very easy. So yes, here I think that complete. So here uh, I think there is no taking any reason required. So yes, but if you not understand, so I can open again. That is file, because that is a just open Alt F. So our file name like template class type of T. So here look, and you can also scan from user. Yes, here we can give the static value, but you can take from user also. Here we can assign the static value. So there is a no problem. And here that is a we can constant integer n equal to 3. So whenever n is used, so that is a static value 3. You can also use pi, there is no problem. So now let us I just give the as a pi value here fix, and now we can scan from user. So I can remove this static value. Here I can remove and scan from user. So where here we can require. So taking the for loop and same I can use I less than, and now here I define the phi. Yes, so that is phi require and I plus plus. So you can scan means that value taking from user, and also you can here use also new and delete operator. So that is a. We can also print the index and then double quotes, and that is a of I. Yes, so here we have to scan. So C in use and A of I. Yes, now perfect. And same that for in float data type. So here we can provide one message, otherwise user enter. So which value that is not perfect. So enter integer 1D array element. So that type of suitable message, and we can take handle and same copy this loop for float data type. So here I can copy and paste and remove this static initialization, and here we can take as message float 1D array. So you can enter the float and change the name of B. Yes, that is a float, and here also size is 5, not static. So that is a now I think compile, no any, yes, that 6 warning is fixed. So that is a inline function by default that not support is for loop, but that is a we cannot outside define any member, because that is a type of T. So all member you can inside the class. Yes, outside that is a taking error. Here just warning is there, but no any error. So that is a no require any change. So now I can give value from user. Yes, that perfectly scan and print with index, and now turn to float data type, float array. So give any value, I give randomly. So you can also provide the different type of value. So that is a last, yes, I think first of 5, yes. So yes, perfectly. So there is no any change is required. So yes, we can first take as T as a static value. Now I can give so data member and member function whenever required. Then use template type of T or class template type of T. Yes, you can also include the class word. So here first my attempt I just how to use the class template, that the syntax, and that is a use. So next my upcoming video lecture I take the multi parameter of class type of T, and also some we can array addition, that type of operation, addition, subtraction, so many multiplication, that is arithmetic operator we have to use. So here I just print the integer and float two data type. So T1 is first integer, then print, and T2 is a float. So we can pass in angular bracket which data type that class is convert. So that is a class template. So I think you have to get the point. So now that write this C++ template type of class type of T in your C++ notebooks if you prepare. So very simple and very interesting. What is a template type of class? So function template and class template. There are two main concepts in the C++, and that is known as a generic programming. Yes, that is more using today in our IT field. So now I can close Alt F3 function key and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.